Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, today I am doing an experiment with the DecoArt American Decor Metallics. I'm going to do a swipe and I'm not using silicone. I have done some skins. As you can see, I swiped the skin and I got cells. There are two, and there was no silicone in there. So we're going to give this a shot. I don't like using silicone. I hate the cleanup. And I prefer the cells when they're natural. That's my preference. So I have here Liquitex Basics in black, Mars Black. That's going to be my swipe color, and it's pretty thin. I like for my swipe paint to be thinner than the base paint. I have here that DecoArt Silver mixed with some Primary Elements art pigment by ColourArte in Jasmine. And this color is also the silver mixed with Payne's Gray by Primary Elements. And then I have some plain old silver here. So as you can see, this is a thicker consistency. All right, so let's lay down our base and get this party started. And some of the jasmine. All right, move this around, cover the canvas. gonna take some of these drips and cover the spots that I missed. Okay. We have coverage. Nice organic flow of the paints. I have a piece of paper towel that I've cut in half. I'm going to spray it with some water away from my painting. Now it's just damp and so it's pliable, but not wet. You don't want wet. Okay. I think I want to swipe this way. I just need to remember to turn it back when I'm done. That ought to do it. Here we go, fingers crossed. And lightly drag it across. I'm just going to tilt some of that black off before the cells pop up. Just a little bit of wiggle. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit and see what develops. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. This is actually dry. So you can see some of that sparkle. Of course, it looks flatter until you varnish it, but it is still sparkly, and I think this will be gorgeous when it is varnished. You can see how the colors change. It's very pretty. So you can absolutely get cells in a swipe without silicone. I did kind of run out of my black paint down there. That was 100% pilot error. But, oh, let me show you. These pigments are so serious. They are so intense. Check that out. The back of the canvas. That alone is very pretty. I just love those colors. But there it is. So yes, indeed, you can get cells without silicone in a swipe. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. Please do like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Make sure you click that little bell so you get notified when I put up a new video. The description box below, you will find a link to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. Also, my Amazon store. Most of the things that I use in these videos can be found in my Amazon store. But if you enter through that link, if you don't see it in my store and you find it somewhere else on Amazon, as long as you enter through that link, I will make a small commission at no additional cost to you. Also, in the description box is a link to my website, ginadeluca.net. Go there to purchase my artwork. There will be new artwork on there very soon. Also, my music is available there. My new CD, Better Than Chocolate. You can see the video for Better Than Chocolate, the song, right here on the YouTube. The link will also be in the description box for that. And last, but certainly not least, join our Facebook group. Go make some art, post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. And I think that's it. For those asking about my big announcement, it is still coming. I received an email today saying that there was a little bit of a snafu, and hopefully I will be able to give you this wonderful news next week. So, fingers crossed. All right, you guys, that's it for me. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.